Ever press the gas and feel your car climb in revs without the usual gear change kick? That's a CVT, continuously variable transmission, doing its thing. Instead of a handful of fixed gears, a CVT uses two cone-shaped pulleys with a steel belt or chain between them. Each pulley can slide wider or narrower, changing its effective diameter. When the engine pulley gets small and the wheel pulley gets big, that's a low ratio. Great for takeoff. Flip it. Engine pulley big, wheel pulley small, and that's high ratio for cruising. The belt rides higher or lower on the cones, so the ratio smoothly morphs through infinite steps in between. Why do this? Efficiency and smoothness. An engine has a sweet spot RPM, where it makes the best power or best fuel economy. A CVT can lock the engine near that RPM and vary the car's speed with ratio changes, like a dimmer switch instead of an on-off light. That's why acceleration can feel like a steady rubber band. No shifting jolts, just continuous pull. Push belt and chain CVTs. Toroidal CVTs that use rollers instead of belts. eCVTs and hybrids like Toyota's. Planetary gear sets blending engine and motor power. Pro, smooth drive. Pro, good MPG. Pro, compact packaging. Con, some drivers dislike the sound and feel. Con, high torque and heat can be tough on components. Con, they need the exact CVT fluid to live long. Quick tip, go easy on full throttle launches when the car is cold. Quick tip, keep the fluid fresh. Quick tip, remember manual mode virtual gears are software, still a CVT underneath. Recap. Two variable pulleys plus a belt change their diameters on the fly, giving you the right ratio at every moment. It's like having every possible gear, all the time, so the engine can chill where it's happiest while you just, well, go. Neat, right?